Movex is an Italian company, was founded in 2011. We are now over 100 employees. All the production of Movex is here in Italy. We also count 7 branches around the world, in Europe and abroad. So we are covering from United States to Far East. We are doing conveyor components in the beverage industry. When we started the company in 2011, we immediately chose SAP as the ERP software for our company. We chose to work with BRAIN System, which is a company that is supporting us since day one in a very good way for the skill they have and for the expertise they have in the production and in the manufacturing.
According to our manufacturing field requirement, we found that one of the requirements from our company, based on the fact we have different plants worldwide, was to have a tool that was giving the chance to our employees around the world with one simple click see all the warehouse availability, all the sales orders, all the purchase order. So we found in Beas through SAP Business One of the best solutions on the market, and together with this tool we are growing every day, and we are thinking that's the best solution for our marketing fields. Before implementing Beas, we were working manually on collecting data and make the analysis of this data. Through this Beas software, with one click you can have all the data you need, and it's very simple to use, very simple to analyze the data, and according to your results, that's one of the best solutions in the market. I would describe Beas Manufacturing with 3 words: efficient, cost-effective, and easy to use. SAP Business One and Beas Manufacturing support your growth and growth with you.
The company is a young company. The growth was around 35% every year. And we are sure that with our skills, with our knowledge, with the cooperation with a strategic partner like SAP Business One, we can achieve any results that we want.